aid kit. So first, let us find out what is a first aid box or first aid kit. First aid kit is a small box containing items such as bandages, plasters, antiseptic lotion, medicines, etc. used for emergency care given immediately to a sick or injured person until full medical treatment is available. So do you know what should you keep in your first aid kit? Come on, let's find out together. A basic first aid kit may contain plasters in a variety of different sizes and shapes, small, medium and large sterile gauze dressings, sterile eye dressings, triangular bandages and crepe rolled bandages, disposable masks, rubbing alcohol, hand sanitizer, liquid hand soap, sanitizing spray, reusable cotton pads, safety pins and tweezers, disposable sterile non-latex gloves, scissors and sticky tape, alcohol-free cleansing wipes and tissue roll, thermometer, preferably digital, skin rash cream such as calendula, cream or spray to relieve insect bites and stings, painkillers such as paracetamol and ibuprofen, antiseptic cream, antibiotic cream, cough and cold medicine, eye drops, ice packs, hot water bag, distilled water for cleaning wounds, inhaler machine for asthma patient, pulse oximeter, blood pressure monitor, and blood sugar meter and medicine. So now you know what should be kept in your first aid kit. Thank you so much for joining me today. And be sure to check out our other videos for more fun activities and fun games. You will find the link in the description box below. Always remember that we are here for you. Bye bye for now. See you soon. Take care of yourself and stay safe. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.